Bone konsir garze ne mwa amashomero gasini yagarukwisha kujwekere cyanga cya ankoro emizaano ya Uganda yoona erimo kwirukanga netball ompira n'endijo kandi abana bo bongire kwetebeekanisiza. Abanyimwe abaziyo batebeekanisiza empaka zibiri zigenderire kongera kutungura entaranta no kutebeekanisiza abazani aho bayanira mu maju gabo nuko yamamaburu no kusinga mu mpaka zo kubaka hamwe n'umupira gw'ebigere. St Francis Kasinga volleyball rero St Therese Kasingo kwirukanga hamwe na yoona Ageihangwe hamwe. Mukuru w'ishemerere Reverend Sister Gladys Kachope ayihanangiriza abejo kutomutuma emizaano hamwe no kushoma kandi umurambuzi w'amashomero ahabwa Isingiro district Sararinda nawe ahabwira abana babishyo ko yebembeze ngesho omuru buri kimwe kibarakora.
We have been competing in only ball games, but this time we had opportunity to have the segment of athletics. And I thank Sister for this particular idea.
That we are very good at football, but we also want to be very good in football and even in other games. At the same time, we also want to excel in academics. Did we promise each other? Be careful. The moment you want to make yourself shabby, put yourself in a line. Tell your friend that, my friend, you are an eye of Isingiro district.
Abasingire bahirwe bukopo hamwe n'ebiconca hagati yo kujaguza kandi empaka zihanga yoona nzija kuba mu district ya Torore Sandere kwija. Abwa TV West and Alogias byamukama.